Hello my wonderful viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's class we shall be looking at this equation. So we want to solve this equation. The equation says x plus 3 all over 2x minus 3 is equals to 3x all over 4x minus 6. Now let's proceed with the solution. The first thing to do is to cross multiply. Cross multiply. Now we are going to say 3x into bracket 2x minus 3. We use this to multiply this equals to this multiply this x plus 3 multiplied by 4x minus 6. That's the first step. Now the next thing, let's expand it. 3x multiplied by 2x, we have 6x squared. 3x multiplied by minus 3, we have minus 9x. We are done with the left hand side. Let's move to the right hand side. X multiplied by 4x, you have 4x squared. X multiplied by minus 6, you have minus 6x. Plus 3 multiplied by 4x, you have plus 12x. Plus 3 multiplied by minus 6, we have minus 18. Now we are done with that. The next thing is to collect like terms. In order to collect like terms, you notice that there are some that have square. So let's bring them together. 6x squared. When 4x squared plus 4x squared move to, when you look at it, you notice that some also have x. So let's bring them together. Here we have minus 9x at this side. Then minus 6x will move to here. So it becomes plus 6x. Plus 12x move here, it becomes minus 12x. And when minus 18 moves here, it becomes plus 18 equals to, so what we are left with at the right hand side will now be what? 0. 6x squared minus 4x squared, we have 2x squared. Then there are some that have minus here, so we can first do that. Minus 9x minus 12x, that is going to give us minus 21x. And minus 21x plus 6x, that is going to give us minus 15x plus 18 equals to 0. Now, as you can see, this is now in quadratic form. And if it is in quadratic form, you can use factorization method, you can use general formula, and you can also use completing the square method. So I would like to use a factorization method. Using factorization method, I'm going to need the factors of 18. So let's see if it will work. 18. What are the factors of 18? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 6, and I have what? I have 9, and I also have 18. Do we have any two of them that when we multiply it together is going to give us 18? But and also when you add them together, it will give you what? 15. Do we have any? If you say 3 multiplied by 6, it's going to give us 18. But when you add it together, it will give us minus 15. If you say 1 multiplied by 18, you get plus 18. But when you add it together, it will give you minus 15. So in this case, it won't work. But I still want to use factorization method. So I will now use what we know as AC. AC. Talking about AC, don't forget our quadratic form. Our quadratic form is AS squared plus BX plus C equals to 0. So our A is 2, while our C is 18. So that means my A here is plus 2 multiplied by plus 18, which is equals to plus 36. Now, I'm going to find the factors of plus 36 now. What are the factors of plus 36? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, I have 9, I have 12, 18, and 36. From the factors of 36, I need two numbers that when I multiply it together is going to give me 36 plus 36, and when I add it together it must give me minus 15. So from this now, if I pick, okay, let's say if I multiply plus 2 and plus 18 together, of course I will have plus 36 plus 2 multiplied by this. Okay, what about minus 3 and minus 12? And we also have, if I multiply it, minus times minus plus 3 times 12, and we have 36. So you can have more than that. Okay, but let me add the values. Don't forget the values must give me minus 15. So if I add the values, plus 2 plus 18 is going to give me plus 20. Minus 3 plus minus 12 is going to give me minus 15. So in that case, this is what I'm going to use. The one that gives me minus 15. So I'm going to make use of minus 3 and minus 12. So the factors of 16, sorry, the factors of 36, factors of 30 of plus 36 will now be what? Equals to minus 3 and minus 12. Now, it's time to replace this minus 15x. Now, I'm going to replace it with our factor now. In that case, 2x squared will now be minus 3x minus 12x plus 18 equals to 0. So what we did here is that we replace minus 15x with minus 3x and minus 12x. Alright, now it's time to factorize. Let's factorize this. So I'm having 2x squared minus 3x minus 12x plus 18 equals to 0. Now to factorize this, what is common here? X is common. So I'm going to have x outside. X multiplied by what is going to give me 2x squared. That's going to be x multiplied by 2x. And x multiplied by what's going to give me minus 3x. That's going to be minus 3. We're done with that. Now, in order to deal with this, I'm going to have a minus sign. Now what is common here? 6 is common. 6 can go in 12. X is can also go here. So in that case, let me bring my 6 out. Open brackets. Minus 6 multiplied by what is going to give me minus 12x. And that's going to be minus 6 multiplied by 2x. Now, minus 6 multiplied by what is going to give me plus 18. And that is going to be minus 6 minus 3 equals to 0. You cannot use plus 3. If you use plus 3, minus 6 multiplied by plus 3 will give you minus 18. And don't forget, we must have plus 18. So in that case, this sign will change from plus to minus. So that when we say minus 6 multiplied by minus 3, you'll be able to get your plus 18 back. Okay, now the first thing, let me pick this one, 2x minus 3, and we pick this and this. That will be x minus 6 equals to 0. Now that means 2x minus 3 is equals to 0 and x minus 6 is equal to 0. So that will be 2x minus 3 equals to 0, or x minus 6 equals to 0. And I'm going to have 2x equals to, when minus 3 moves here, it becomes 0 plus 3. That will be 3. Or x equals to, when minus 6 moves to the other side, it becomes 0 plus 6, which is 6. Then here, I'm looking for the value of x, so I'm going to make x the subject of the formula, and that's going to give us s equals to 3 all over 2, or s equals to 6. Thanks for watching, guys. So on the board, I have a question similar to what we just saw. So I want us to try this and drop our answer in the comment section. There is going to be a token for the winner. So please try it. Just try it and drop the answer in the comment section. So I'll be expecting the answer soon. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like my Facebook page and also follow me. Thanks.